Hey everyone, it's me here with another episode of my Dan Computer Training channel. In Part 4, Episode 6, we're going to look at speed ramping or smooth motion control in CapCut. Let's get started! But first, welcome back to the channel where we learn how to create engaging video content for social media. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more awesome editing tutorials. So have you seen those cool cinematic edits where the video goes from normal speed into slow motion and then speeds up again, but very smoothly? That's called speed ramping. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use CapCut's speed ramping tool to control motion and add style to your videos, all with a beginner-friendly approach. So if you're ready to take your edits to the next level, let's dive in. First, I'm going to start with a simple example. Here I have a clip of someone jumping. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I apply speed ramping. It's much more interesting and dynamic, right? Now it's your turn. Import a clip where there's clear motion like walking, running, dancing, or jumping. Once you have your clip, select it and tap speed. Now you'll see a bunch of options. We're going to go to curve. This is where you can control the speed of your clip. Now CapCut gives you two options for speed ramping. First, you can use the presets. There are several presets to choose from like montage and hero. These are great if you want quick results. Next, you can also do custom ramping. When you tap custom, you can add and drag these curve points. Now curve points determine the speed flow of your video. You can also tap the plus icon to add more curve points. The more points you add, the more control you have over the speed of your clip. So take your time and adjust each point until you're happy with the results. And remember, you can always try different presets and tweak the custom settings until you find the perfect speed ramp for your clip. By the way, you can also pair your speed ramp with your music. This is a pro tip. So when you're done, tap done. Alright, let's quickly recap what we learned today. First, import an action clip. Then go to speed curve. Next, try out the presets. If you want quick results, use custom for full control. And don't forget to sync your ramps with the music. And that's how you master speed ramping in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.